Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to consult a software development project. Whether you're a project manager, developer, or just interested in software development, this video is for you. So, what exactly is software development project consulting? It's a process where an expert helps guide a project team through the entire software development life cycle. This includes project planning, resource allocation, tool selection, and risk management. The first step in consulting a software development project is project planning. You need to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, who your stakeholders are, and what resources you have available. To do this, you'll need to create a comprehensive project plan, outlining all of the tasks that need to be completed and the resources required to complete them. Once you have your project plan in place, it's time to focus on resource allocation. This is where you'll need to allocate the right amount of resources to each task, making sure that you have enough people, tools, and time to complete the project successfully. This is also where a project management tool comes in handy. Now, when it comes to selecting a project management tool, there are many options available, so it's important to choose the one that's right for your specific needs. That's where our project management tool selection and implementation assistance service comes in. We'll provide you with personalized recommendations and help you implement the best tool for your project. Finally, no software development project is without risks and challenges, but with our project development risk/issue resolution assistance service, you'll have the support you need to effectively manage any risks or issues that may arise. Our experts will provide guidance and advice on how to handle any roadblocks, keeping your project on track and ensuring its success. So, there you have it. If you're looking to consult a software development project, following these steps and utilizing our services will help ensure that your project is successful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.